Hi, welcome to the Corbettmaths Numeracy 5-a-day answers for the 7th of April. If you need hint of one particular question, pause the video now and have a look at the video numbers here which might help you with that question. Otherwise, I'm going to go through all the answers now. So, our first question. Our first question says, what fraction of this shape is shaded? So here we've got a rectangle, and as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 10 squares. And the question says, what fraction of the shape is shaded? So the denominator is going to be 10, because it's 10 altogether. And shaded, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 7 shaded, so that's going to be 7 out of 10, or 7/10. The next bit says, what percentage is not shaded? Well, because there's 10 squares, that means each one of them is 10%. So not shaded would be 10, 20, 30%. So 30% of the shape is not shaded. Okay, let's have a look at our next question. So our next question says 670 divided by blank is equal to 335. So this number hopefully might be a whole number. So let's write down our multiples of 335 and see when we get to 670. So our first multiple of 335 is 335. Our next one, to find our next one, well, if we do 335 plus 335, let's see what we get. So 5 plus 5 is 10, put the 0 down, carry the 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So the second multiple of 335 is 670. So it's going to be divided by 2. So half of 670 is 335. Okay, next question. Our next question asks us to find this missing angle x. So here we've got a straight line, and we know that the angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if we take 112 away from 180 degrees, we'll find what this angle is. So 180 take away 112 degrees, let's see what we get. So 0 take away 2 we can't do, so we'll borrow, let's call that 7 and a 1. 10 take away 2 is 8, 7 take away 1 is 6, and 1 take away 1 is 0. So the answer would be 68 degrees. Right, our next question. Our next question, we've got a menu and we've got some prices. So a tea is £1.30, a coffee is £1.70, and a hot chocolate is 95p. And Jimmy buys 2 teas and 1 hot chocolate. So 2 teas, so that would be £1.30 and £1.30, and 1 hot chocolate, which is 95p. And it says how much does he have to pay? So let's add those up and see what we get. So 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 9 is 15, so put the 5 down, carry the 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is £3.55. And the next question says he pays with a £10 note, so that would be 1,000 pennies, and it says how much change should he get? So 1,000, that's £10 in pennies, subtract 355, and let's see what we get. So obviously here 0 take away 5 we can't do, and there's nothing to borrow from because we've got another 0 and another 0, so let's cross off the 1, call it a 0, and put a 1 there, so that's 10. Cross off that, so that's a 9, and put a 1 there. Cross off that, so that's a 9, and put a 1 there, and now we can do our subtraction. So 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 5 is 4, and 9 take away 3 is equal to 6. So the answer would be £6.45. That's how much change he would receive.